Hey you guys, it's your girl Simone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Simone, known as Naturally Simone here on YouTube. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back, gang. I miss you guys. So today I am here with the 4th paycheck for the month of August, and this is also my last paycheck from my job that I just resigned from. So for those who are new to my channel, or for those who have missed that information, I decided to put in my 2-week notice like 3 weeks ago with my job. I was working as an HHA, so I was not happy with that company. They kept on messing up my check. You guys already know all that information. So it's been a week and 1 day since my last day of work. So this is my last paycheck because I did get paid weekly. And the way I will do my next cash stuffings is with my personal time off hours that they paid out to me. And I did get all of my money, so I am excited about that. They ain't played themselves. You know, she actually, when I put in a request, she actually put it in that for that same exact week. And then the following week, I got the remaining amount of money. And that was over like 140 hours. So that was like amazing, just getting all my money from them, because I was barely taking time off. But anyways, you guys can purchase this bank bag or money bag depending on what design you guys want on my website, pressandply.com, and it's also available on my Etsy shop. So before I jump into the video, I know you guys see something here different with my setup. Yes, I have this lovely bouquet of roses sent to me from Rose Forever New York. So thank you so much for sending me these lovely roses. And I had to go with my black and pink nails for the black and pink vibes. Okay. So a little bit of background information on Rose Forever New York. They are a New York based company that launched in 2019. So I love seeing my fellow New Yorkers thrive. And they also use natural oils to preserve these roses
and help it last for a year.
And it's also allergen free, which is a plus considering the fact that my husband has allergies. I don't want anything to be really triggering him. These roses come in different colors. I'm talking a gorgeous gray one, a black one, a violet one, and even blue roses, y'all. The box that the professional artisan that the roses in are vegan, so you don't have to worry about them using any type of animals to do their packaging. I went with the black velvet box and pearl pink roses. There's also a gorgeous pink suede box. There's a bouquet of roses out there for everyone. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to use in case you do want to purchase your own bouquet of roses for yourself or for a loved one. You could use the code Simone25 to save $25 off your order site-wide. So thank you once again, Rose Forever New York, for sending me this lovely bouquet of roses. So let's set up my money. Let's jump into the cash unstuffing of my wallet, and y'all just gonna see for yourselves. So Hello Coffee has nothing in here. Good Eats have the $50. I did not do any food shopping this week because my husband said I need to get rid of the food that's in my freezer, y'all. So I still got the $50 in here. Spending have $1. Miscellaneous have $2. And then transit, I'm gonna keep the $10 in here from last week. And you guys already know I deal with the Fetch app. Turn your receipts into points, get points into gift cards and all that good stuff. My information on the screen and in the search box down below. And there's no coins. So that's it with my wallet. And I only saved $3 from last week. And we're gonna put it in my money box. Going. And boom, that's how this is looking, you guys. So why I don't have any coins in here is because I was using my debit card to make purchases and I was just paying myself back. So now it is officially all with my wallet, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, so let's start with P&A. For those who do not know, P&A is my business press and apply. And since this month is almost over, that's what I'm going to cash stuff all of my envelopes, but I do that digitally anyway. So yeah, so the first envelope that we're going to be cash stuffing is nail tech license, and it's going to begin at $15. Nail tech license now have 1,000, 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, $1,271. And I'm going to be saving up this envelope until 2024-ish. I don't think I'm gonna have all the funds next year, but that's okay. And supported bids is going to get some money. It's going to get $5. Supporter bids now have 5, 10, 11, 12 bucks, and Upgradia is not getting anything, and that's all for P&A's binder. Alright, you guys, so let's move on to the 100 envelope challenge, and this week the numbers are 96 and 97. So I am going to save the $97 to stuff with my YouTube paycheck. So we're only going to do the $96. So 50, 5, 1. I try to use my side income to cash stuff the bigger numbers. So if I have any extra funds or whatever the case may be, I try to tackle all of the bigger numbers. And then I'm gonna stuff this off camera. All right, so let's move over to spending her coins. Spoiled is going to be getting $25. So 25. And Spoiled now have 20, 35. $35. And I am still holding on to this $100 bill in case I need it for now. Because you guys know I'm taking a couple of weeks off to take care of myself, my business, and stuff like that before I jump into another company. No Goodies is not getting anything because it has over $100. Bath and Body Works is going to be getting $5. And they now have 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, $76. And I just got some coupons in the mail, so I got some money to spend on that. 11/11 is going to be getting $5. So this is for AliExpress annual sale that happens on November 11th of every year. But I also made a big purchase of like $55, $56 because they was having another sale that just ended a couple of days ago. So yeah, I bought some things. So 11/11 now have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 bucks. The glow up is for my birthday, and this week it's going to be getting $5. The glow up now have 100, 150, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 200 bucks. And boom, all done with spending her coins, you guys. Let's jump into my purple binder. Family is next, and it's going to be getting $5. And family now have only $5. So I did cash unstuff this envelope, and it had $50 in there, and that's basically how much money I gave my mom. So I'm not trying to borrow money from myself for a lot of these envelopes, especially not right now. So whatever I have in here, and it's somebody's birthday or holiday coming up, that's what I'm going to spend. That's it. I'm not gonna keep on giving more than I actually have saved up, even though it comes from like my own personal funds, because I do not cash stuff my whole paycheck. I'd rather not continue to do that. But if I have a good amount saved up, over like $25, then you're gonna get what's in that envelope, you know. Night out is next, and this is going to be getting $10. Night out now have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. $29. And I need to really just do all new envelopes because this is bad. Bills is next, and this is for all of September's bills, and I'm giving it $1 for 203 bucks. And the reason why I gave it $1 is because July did have an extra week, and I was just going to save that money, but I'd rather just put the difference in, and yeah. I do cash stuff 1 month ahead. Spoiled is just holding all of this month's current bills, and I'm basically done cash unstuffing this envelope. But the reason why I have money remaining is because I kept on having outages with our cable provider. They gave us a discount off of our monthly bill, so it's not the full $123. I only paid like $89 or something like that. And then the $50 you guys see right here is because my old company had like a benefit card that they add money to every single month, you know, based on the amount of hours that you work. And I have not used any of those funds because I found out about it this year. So that card could be used for your phone bills. That's the plan that they had us on. It also could be used for like medicines and all that stuff. I paid my phone bill with that money, and that money had over $500 on it, you guys. My phone bill was only $50. So y'all do the math of how much money I'm gonna be saving until that clears up. Okay. It is now time for the question of the week, and this week I want to ask you guys, do you have a favorite flower? Do you like flowers in general? And if you do, leave a comment down below telling me what is your favorite flower? For me, I do not have a favorite flower. I just love flowers in general. I just love all the pretty colors. I love the smells of some of them. I am a plant mom, so I have a lot of plants in my house, but a lot of them don't bloom. I only have one plant that actually blooms, and it's a desert rose. So I love the flowers that it puts off with that. So leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite flower? Health is next, and Health is going to be getting $10. And Health have 60 bucks. Braces is next, and Braces is going to be getting $35. So 20, 30, 5. Y'all, these roses smell so freaking good. I'm just loving the smell of it. So Braces now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. 300 bucks. My last payment is in November. Fur Babies is next, and they are getting $10. For those who do not know, I have a dog named Rocky and a dwarf hamster named Shimabelle. And Fur Babies now have 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, $127. And last in this binder is Hello Coffee, and this is going to be getting $10 for a total of 15 bucks. And boom, all done with my clear binder, you guys. Moving over to my last binder before I cashed up my wallet. All right, so Debt Killer is next, and Debt Killer is going to be getting $100. Y'all, how do y'all feel about the student loans being canceled? $10,000 for people who did not get the Pell Grant, $20,000 for people who did get the Pell Grant, as long as you meet the income requirements. So how you guys feel about that? I know so many people have so many like mixed emotions. And me, I'm excited because I know we're gonna have to pay for this in the long run. Listen, it is what it is. We're paying for a whole lot of things with our tax money that people's not complaining about, so I ain't gonna go there with that. And I did get the Pell Grant when I was back in college, so I'm guessing I'm going to be getting up to $20,000. And if that is the case, I'm only gonna be owing like $1,500. So I ain't gonna complain, okay? Debt Killer now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and $20. $7,520. Till that actually gets cleared off in the next couple of months or whatever the case may be, I'm still gonna be cash upping in this envelope. I am not gonna play myself because things could change, okay? Sure, you never know with the government. YouTube taxes is not getting anything. I'm gonna stuff this off camera. I do have the funds, you know, available right now, but this is gonna get stuffed off camera. Christmas is next, and Christmas is going to get $10. Christmas now have 100, 200, 300, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. $343. You Never Know is my emergency fund, and it's going to be getting $10. And I do not count this envelope. I only count this envelope like when I'm doing like big updates and stuff like that. Rainy Day is a savings that I started, and it's also in my high yield savings account along with like just about all of these envelopes in this binder. And this is going to be getting $10. It's been a couple of months since I started this, so it's not too hefty yet. And lastly in this binder is the money challenge. This is my golden year birthday challenge. I'm saving $28 until my 28th birthday on November 28th. Let me know in the comments, when is your birthday? 25, 6, 7, 8. So the money challenge now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 900, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. $924. And rollovers not get anything because I didn't have any 5, 10s, or $20 bills. Only singles this week. Let's circle back to my wallet. Let's see what I'm going to be cash stuffing. So Hello Coffee is not getting anything because I do make my coffee at home. I buy coffee beans and make cold brew. I have 2 Nespresso machines, so I don't need to go out to like 7-Eleven like I was doing when I was working and everything. So that's empty. Good Eats, I am going to add the $50 still. So when I do my next food shopping, it's gonna be like for like 2 weeks, you know, like that, since I'm letting it stack up. So 20, 40, 45, 50. $50. Spending is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is going to get $10. And transit is going to also get $10. And I do have the $10 in here from last week, for a total of $20. And boom, all done with my wallet, you guys. All right, so let's move over to the 100 envelope challenge, and we stuffed the number 96. And then I'm gonna do the $97 off camera with my YouTube Paycheck. And coming over here, we did another 28. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12 more weeks left. All right, you guys, so that's all for today's video. And if you have enjoyed, be sure to leave your girl a big old thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family. I would love to have you all here with me. Thank you once again to Rose Forever for sending me these beautiful bouquet of roses. I absolutely love them. You can find me on Instagram at BudgetwithSimone. Check out my website, PrestonApplies.com. My business Instagram, Press and Apply. My TikTok, Budget with Simone. And until next time, you guys, be well, be safe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye bye.